Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to get Adguard app Pro for free. As you can see, it's completely unlocked. It has all the premium features and um, it's completely free. It's very useful. I use it so it blocks all the ads on the browser and also inside the apps, which can be very annoying. But this app solves this problem and blocks everything for you, which is really cool. So to get it, first you have to go to your browser and go to this website apkdown.com, and then you need to search for Adguard. See, you select the first option, Adguard Premium 4.0.48, and you just click on the download APK. You just wait 5 seconds and the download, you select the first one, download APK file, and it's gonna start to download. I'm gonna cancel it because I already downloaded it. You'll find it in your downloads folder, so if you go to the file manager and APKs, you're gonna find it here. So you just click on it and then install. I'm not gonna do it because it's already installed for me, but for you, you can just click on install and then it's gonna install to your phone. Once installed, you just open the app and it's gonna ask you to add a VPN configuration. You just click agree and you're good to go. You just turn on this protection and you'll be good to go. I'm gonna leave down the link to download the app in the description for you. If you need any questions, please leave me down a comment, and if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.